guys! So ngayon ay nasa ano kami? Museum. Ay oo nga pala, sorry na. Andito kami sa Museum Niagara. So kami ay pupunta sa Botanical Garden, Perdana. And currently we're here in Museum Niagara. O diba? Ang ganda. Ano na siya? This is a museum. Wala talaga matayo masasabi. And ngayon, we're just walking around the area as we're about to go to Botanical Garden. Hello, cutie ni Kuya Bells. So hindi ko pwedeng isama yung kaibigan ko kasi naka-shorty lang siya. Mauna kami. So ito na nga, ito yung chismis. Charis. So doon kayo bumaba sa Museum Niagara if you're from Kajang Line. Wow, Kajang Line! So doon, and then ito yung lalakaran namin. Ay, sa likod kami. Kasi mapakita ko yung nilalakaran. So ito yon. So dito. So you'll just walk straight dito, guys. Ano po? Dito. Uy, ang ganda ng view. Para siyang park. Ito ba ito? Ito yung ibang area dito, guys. So ito yung kikita nyo. May CIMB. Tapos dito. Straight lang tayo. And then we're going to the right side. So I guess malapit na tayo, guys. So ito din, traffic na dito sa Malaysia. Kasi it's already, ano bang oras? It's already 5:25, so pretty much uwian na from work. Hala, ang ganda ng area pala dito, no? Ito yung mga building dito sa Kuala Lumpur. Guys, if you haven't been here in Kuala Lumpur, ito yung mga view dito. Charis. And then, sabi di ba right? Dito right. Oh, okay. Are we allowed to go outside? Parang allowed naman. Ah, yung tunnel me. I saw it na. Oh, okay. So from here, ito yung... Andun, oh.
Okay.
Oh, may nagja-jogging din dito. I guess it's really a nice place for you to, you know, jog and then walk. Kung gusto mo magpaano?
Jog talaga.
Kung gusto mo magpapawis.
Run.
Yeah, if you want to do run. Ah, okay. So, ito yun, guys, oh. Auditorium.
Lake Garden na ano.
Ah, ito na nga, oh. Jabatan Museum, Malaysia. Zoom natin. Yan siya. In fairness.
Ganda.
First time namin dito ng Franny Bells. So, perfect. Tapos dyan, tinatago yung mga... Charis, hindi talaga. Ah, okay. Ang ganda, mi. So, papasok na tayo sa... Ah, ito na yung tunnel, mi. Oh, may mga taong nag-ano din dito, guys. Nagwo-walk, nag-run. Alam mi, para may security guard. Oh, ito na yung tunnel, guys, oh. Pak, ang ganda ng view. Very nature. Sige, may kunin mo nga ako sa subject. Chares! Ay, ito na ba yan? Count na. So, there's F. F, come on. Perdana! Okay, let's go inside. First thing na talaga siya, so all we need to do is to really locate the place So, as a tourist, dapat isalo natin yung mga Alam nyo guys, ang nagugustuhan ko dito is it's really for free. As in like, we didn't pay anything when we get inside. Nakita nyo naman siguro, di ba? Hindi siya nag... There you go. Ang ganda ng view. Look at this one. Diba? Very pretty siya. Let me show you. Look at that. Diba? So pretty. And this is just for free, guys. We didn't pay anything. The rest of the view here, look at. Oh, the Merdeka, we can see it here. Super cute. At ang linis ng ano. Ito oh. Perfect. Hala, ang ganda. Oy! The turtle, look at! Oh my god! Hi! Hala, ang cute ng turtle! Hello! Nice. So they also have the comfort room here. May bibilihan ng pagkain. Then look at this one. It's so cute. Oh my god, the fish! Hala, ang ganda. Oh, that's cute. Look at this one, guys. Di ba ang cute? The interior is giving. Interior design, 10/10. Serious. Tingnan mo naman to sila. Para mga magkakaibigan. Look at that. Look so cute. Steady lang talaga sila. They're just like, okay, sabi nila. Oh, okay bakla. Talaga, totoo pati. Ayun yun, lumipad na tuloy. At ikaw. This area is also pretty, guys. This is just still part of the botanical garden. Look at the view. Diba ang ganda? May mga nag-taping. At itong pasabog, guys. Parang uulan nga lang siya, pero look at this one. Oh my god, it's actually true. He's moving. Like legit. Totoo siya. Like, oh. Oh my god. Yung mukha niya talaga, like, parang ready na siya kumain. Yung parang, ano ko, nandiyan pa si Torito. Boobs. Guys, ready na talaga siya. Like, anytime gusto na siya mag-laps. And look at this one, oh. May mga fish. A lot of fish here. And it's still part of the view. Ganda. Uulan nga lang siya talaga. Sayang. Siguro maganda dito if you're going early in the morning. Hey guys! Nandito pa rin tayo sa park. And you know what I really like about here in Malaysia is that kahit gaano ka-progressive yung city itself, marami pa rin siyang mga puno. Not only because this is like a park, even if you will go to the like main city, ang dami talaga yan yung maganda dito kasi kahit sobrang marami na mga building and everything, marami pa rin talagang puno. Like, the greenery is giving. Green is greenerying. Cherries. Alam, ang ganda dito na part. Alam mo, maganda dito kasi maraming pwedeng pagpicturean ng mga area. Eh, kagaya nito, oh. Ito parang hagdanan Kenemeru. Show natin to. This is so pretty here. Diba? Parang nasa ano ka. But then look at the view. Me! Psst! Diba? Taray dito.